Good Friday morning, everyone. Looking at our weather map for today, we see a lot of winter weather across the northern tier of the country. Some of that's really accumulating on the South Dakota-Nebraska border, and then again across portions of western Montana, stretching down into Idaho and Wyoming. So lots of snowflakes flying across the northern U.S. today, clouds and sun across the southern half. Looking at our forecast for the next 5 days, we see sunshine today. We've got some clouds that'll be moving through from time to time, but overall the pattern should be partly cloudy for our Friday. It will be windy. Some of those gusts to 20 miles an hour, highs in the mid 40s. It remains windy tonight, lows around 30, so that'll be chilly. And I don't know if you're picking up on a theme here, but it's going to be windy again on Saturday. It had originally looked like Saturday might not be so windy. And in the morning hours, it probably won't be too bad, but the winds will be picking up as we go through the day, blowing in our next storm system that'll move in late Saturday night. That 30% chance for showers is mainly after midnight. Continued windy, lows in the mid to upper 30s. And then Sunday, repeat after me, windy, highs in the mid 40s. And then Sunday night, winds die down, believe it or not, and we drop to around 40 with rain showers continuing. Monday's just looking cloudy at this point. I may have to add a shower or a sprinkle on Monday morning, but overall that day's just looking mostly cloudy. And then our next storm system comes in Monday night. Looks like again later in the evening, 30% chance for showers, and then rain showers likely on Tuesday. And then we'll have to kind of keep an eye on Tuesday night. Rain showers will continue. Colder air will be filtering in from the northwest. Right now, it looks like we're going to stay in the 33 to 36 degree territory. But if that changes, we could be concerned with a wintry mix by Wednesday morning. So stay tuned. I'll keep you posted. Right now, we're looking okay. But just be advised that that things could be looking a little dicier as we get toward that time period. I will say this: if you have travel plans west of the plateau beyond Wednesday, you're going to want to pay close attention to the weather. Things could get quite icy, especially as you get on over toward Nashville and points west and points north. So if you have any doctor's appointments in Nashville or Lebanon, even Cookeville, from Wednesday beyond, you're going to want to keep a track on the forecast. These are our rainfall totals for the next 5 days. So nothing too earth-shattering here. Probably getting up to around 1 inch to 1.5 inches all told by the time we get to the end of the 5-day period. So not any heavy rain, it doesn't look like at this point, but just a persistent rain. On this day in 1772, the Washington and Jefferson snowstorm occurred. George Washington recorded 3 feet of snow at Mount Vernon, and Thomas Jefferson recorded 3 feet at Monticello. Quite the winter storm there. 1888, the National Geographic Society was founded in Washington, D.C. for the increase and diffusion of geographic knowledge. And in 1941, for you history buffs here, Peruvian ambassador Ricardo Rivera Schreiber warns American ambassador of a Japanese assault on Pearl Harbor. And that warning went largely ignored until December 7th, 1941, when the Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor. Well, you folks have a wonderful Friday and keep looking up. Next week's looking like a wild weather week. It's going to be kind of a tipsy-turvy type thing where we're right on the border of possibly, something significant winter and not. Just stay tuned, and I'll keep you posted on the progress of how all of that evolves. You just keep it right here to meteorologistmark.com.